how to enable auto compact feature in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can enable auto compact in Claude Code. So if you don't know about auto compact, then it is a feature in Claude Code CLI and as well as the Claude platform API that automatically summarizes and compresses conversation when history is approaching towards the token limit. So approximately you can say that when your token limit reaches around 95% capacity, it automatically compacts all of the history and the conversation context. So it ensures long coding sessions continue by preserving key content while freezing up space and also preventing context rot or errors. So let me show you how you can enable the auto compact in Claude. So to enable auto compact in Claude, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch Claude by typing in the Claude command in our Windows PowerShell. Then the next thing we're going to do is type in the / and we will type in config. Now, once you have typed in config command, you can simply hit the enter button and you will see this page. And from this list, you can see the first option, that is auto compact. In order to enable this, simply press the space bar and you can see that the value has been successfully changed to true. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.